What's up? We're back. Worcs round 2, Peoria. Got switched from Blythe, which I'm kind of bummed because Blythe's a pretty cool track and it's pretty rocky and hard packed. So actually we brought 3 different bikes out for Cole to try. Gave him a Baja, the Baja 1X bike to give it a try out there today. So today we got here early Friday. Cole's gonna ride another setting that Showa did for him since we're still figuring out the new bike with what works good for the hard pack stuff, and then he's gonna ride his original stuff, new stuff, and then do a lap on this thing and decide what bike to race. So stay tuned.
That thing's so sick.
Well, what's the feedback?
That bike is so stable everywhere. I'm just not sure if I can ride it hard. I don't know if I can push that bike on this track. But it's so much stabler in the rocks, like all this stuff over here, that bike is much better. Maybe not in some of the turns, but plowing through the rocks, that thing is sick. What's up, Tom?
Well, it's rockier than I remember. And I thought it was rocky.
How gnarly is it?
I was just over here, I'm like, did they add rocks? Alright guys, we spotted the winner of the codes for SlamLife. There's the $100 bill. Let's go lay it on him, huh? Here he is, the big $100 winner. What do you have to say to the camera?
Thanks.
That's cool. I'm pretty sure we get a podium trophy.
Hey, see you on the podium.
This place is so brutal. It's so brutal. Hence why we're on this.
Yeah. I've got too much power. 2, my stuff's stiff. Like,
Yeah. Chassis is rigid.
yeah,
Yeah.
See that hole shot? Railed him around the outside. Woo! We were pushing each other. It was. Those rocks are so gnarly. This thing's so good through them though. Like, it's crazy. It was hard to keep up with them on the moto though. Hug that hard pack stuff and straighten this.
Okay.
And keep it wide and then swing out here.
Okay.
And brake and then come like that.
Okay.
Like you should be pretty much wide open down there.
I'll slow it down even at the road sections.
Nah, it's a little less than that, I think. Maxima Bio Wash. Cleans everything.
You ever gone over stuff like this? It's pretty simple, really. You just have to really, and then hit your front tire right there. So, it kind of kicks your front wheel up. You want to hit it right, like right there, like boom. Don't hit it. That outside, and then you just square it straight up. Oh yeah. All right, race day. We're starting. We're getting ready to go line up. Actually got a starting gate today, so that'll be interesting. Maybe Cole could show his skills off of a motocross gate. Get a whole shot again. So, ready for race day. Cole had one of the fastest lap times in practice. Tallon was right there, so hopefully have a good day. Stay tuned.
Like that. Let's get down a bit.
Nothing in front of the gate, nothing in front of the concrete.
I went over the bars so bad in that section, in the tires.
Early on?
Like on lap 4 or 5.
Yeah.
I got stuck and went completely backwards and had to like do a maneuver like this. Look at it.
Yeah, I watched it.
And then like 2 or 3 laps later, I went over the bars. So gnarly, man.
Yeah.
That's like not my forte. Cali boy! Thank you guys. Sorry I missed the podium, but
Yeah.
I was like on 3, I got tight.
Yeah.
Didn't really have it on 3, but after that I was fine.
Lifting your bike every lap through that isn't easy. You rode good, like other than having to deal with that crap, you rode really good.
Yeah, I did not know how to go over those things.
Yeah.
Evan Stice, man, you were leading there for a while. What happened? You were doing so good. You got a great start, and all of a sudden it just started going backwards from there. What happened?
I got to a good start, and then I think it was tired, so that was hard. They were really trying to on the rock, so that was
A lot different than just doing moto.
yeah, a lot different.
So now you guys start playing with us a little bit. You get to tell all your friends to come play with us too?
Yeah, come out and play.
You can't drink.
Well, that's a wrap. Round 2, Worcs, Peoria. Always a super gnarly one. This is one that you kind of want to make sure you finish without getting hurt. We had decent results. Evan got a 3rd. Tallon got 6th, which wasn't good, but he had a fight from coming back at bad start, and they had a really tricky rock section, or rock and then tire section, and a bunch of people got stuck in there, and he lost a bunch of time there, and Cole ended up 4th. So points overall were sitting pretty good, and everyone's still healthy, ready to go to Glen Helen for the next round. So see you at the next one.